What is going on, guys? Today we are talking about investing in a photo and video team. More specifically, I'm talking about why do I need to pay a deposit? Why do I need to pay it right away? Why is it the amount that it is? So I thought I'd make a quick video just quickly talking about deposits, why you pay them, how much you should be paying. So first question is, why do I pay a deposit in the first place? So when you hire a photo or video team, a lot of the time you pay the deposit just to reserve them for that specific date. So what that means is they are blocking off that weekend or that day to shoot your event specifically. And if they do get other inquiries, they will be turning those away. That's one big reason why a deposit is taken at the start. Kind of a secondary question to this is, the deposit percentage can range from anywhere from maybe 10% to 50% to even more in some cases. The question, like, you might be wondering, like, why is it a certain amount, or some teams have a set amount and whatnot. And if we're gonna be completely open and honest here, like, sometimes things happen with weddings, like they get postponed or moved or canceled for whatever reason. And as a photo and video team, I end up turning away multiple jobs for that weekend. So the reason why the amount of the deposit is as much as it is because it essentially covers the opportunity cost of booking another wedding. I mean, it's kind of something that people don't really want to talk about because it's a sore spot. You never want to talk about weddings getting canceled or postponed for any reason. That is really why a deposit is taken, and sometimes why the amount is as much as it is as well. So I hope that gave you guys a little bit of insight into investing into a photo or video team, and just, I guess, the payment structure as a whole. Let me know what you guys think. If you do have any questions for me, leave it in the comments, and I'll try to get back to you if I can, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. See ya.